This beginning part is basically just a cutscene.
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but
Really?
we're already here, so
Yes, that's all I'm saying.
here we
Really?
fucking go.
Yeah,
What is
14
that
to
from?
100. I did 14 to
Extra
100.
noses pounces on
Yeah,
you,
really?
you're so warm. Couldn't help
But
but
it's all
notice
me,
your
it's just
both
a-
I did
across the
1 to
floor.
100.
Now
They
since
go
I
up there
make you like you till day or till day, hee hee. Unzips your baggy ass pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, ooh. Please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Let's
Oh my
go!
I was really hoping I didn't have to call you dad.